So also we have Sophia for the Biodiversity College.
Two Tons. So Two Tons, we are a project created in 2020, and in 5 years we have reached 250,000 participants with our flagship workshops, which is called Two Tons as well, and with more than 14,000 facilitators in 60 countries. But what is particularly exciting is that recently we have made some major changes. In fact, we try to have a new approach regarding the ecological transition. We really think we have entered a world of polycrisis, meaning a world in which changes, crises of very different kinds and very different amplitudes are the common rule, and it will stay on in all this century. And we think that in such kind of context, we cannot oppose anymore the ecological transition and the viability of societies and companies. Therefore, we think we do have to realign and reconnect these two issues. And to us, one key concept is the concept of robustness. We really think that we do have to ensure that every company is robust, meaning she is able to thrive no matter which changes will happen into the world and into the society. And for that, we have adapted our approach regarding the pedagogy we want to broadcast with all workshops. If we can go to the next slide. So basically, historically, we had one workshop, which was a Two Tons workshop or flagship workshops. And recently we have launched two new workshops. And well, the names are in French, but be sure they will be translated in a few time. Basically, what differentiate our workshops, they are not fresh. We try to have a very immersive pedagogy using softwares in order to explore the future, make choices, and see in real time the impact of these choices. So it's really immersive, and what we try to do is both create knowledge, meaning give the participants concrete tools about the order of magnitudes of how can we reach this famous 2 tons goal from the Paris Climate Agreement, and see what are the most relevant and impactful actions. But we also look to give people motivation, meaning that we really want them to see both as an individual contributor and as a part of a collective organization, how they can contribute and why it's so important and why it's not only some constraints, but also a lot of opportunities around that. And we have diversified our offer to make sure that instead of having only one workshop, we have a variety of workshops adapted to every level of the hierarchy in a company, from blue collars to the executive management. And basically, we have some very simple workshops, created links between the ecological actions and the societal issues. And we also have more company thinking workshops that allow you to impersonate a company and a board of administration and make choices and see how the company thrive both ecologically and financially, making the right choices. So we are really looking forward to make you discover these workshops. They all use some software which make them really easy to use in an online way if you want to. They are translated into 9 languages, so it's very international. And they also include a carbon footprint calculator, which is with international data, in which participants can calculate their own carbon footprint based on the data from their country. So that's really creates something immersive. That's something that creates a positive dynamics inside the company. And we would be really glad to participate in this excellent event. For that, we will be organizing some workshops on April 22nd. Please be there via the link on the slide. Thank you, guys.